In this video, I will show you how to quickly and easily buy the cryptocurrency Tezos. I will show you step by step how to exchange money from your bank account into Tezos. We do all this with what I think is the best platform to trade cryptocurrencies, and that is Binance. Binance is the world's largest exchange, and you can deposit fiat and trade all relevant cryptocurrencies. The fees are very low at 0.1%, and if you use the link from the video description, you will get another 10% discount on all trading fees, so you will end up with only 0.09% fees. To create an account, simply enter your details here and then you're ready to go. Once you have created an account and log in for the first time, the page will look like this. The first step, we need to verify our account. If you want to buy cryptocurrencies with fiat money, for example euros, dollars and so on, you need to complete this verification. To do this, we click on the icon right here on the top corner and then go to identification. On this page, we now have to make sure that our personal details right here are verified like here on the right side. You should have this yellow button with verified like here below, and you just have to click on it and then simply upload a picture of yourself and your ID to complete this verification. This is called KYC, Know Your Customer, and is simply there to prevent money laundering. Okay, once you're done with that, now there are two options to buy cryptocurrencies. The easiest way to buy crypto is by using a credit card. If you plan to do that, you can skip the next step and fast forward to the purchase. In the second option, we first have to deposit our fiat money through a bank transfer and then make the purchase. Depending on whether you have a credit card and which option you prefer, you can decide which one to choose. To deposit fiat money into our Binance account, we go to Wallet on the top right here and then go to Fiat and Spot Wallet. Here we can see all of our balances that we have in our Binance account. Up here we can see our fiat balances, and down here we can see all of our crypto balances. To deposit money, we click on Deposit right here at the top. Then we need to make sure that fiat is selected right here, and then we can choose whichever currency we want to deposit. Depending on where you live, you can select your currency right here, and then you can select your payment method right down here. In the US, for example, this would be a transfer via the SWIFT system, and if you live in the European Union, for example, this would be a bank transfer through the SEPA system. To do this, simply enter the amount you want to deposit right here on the right, and then you hit continue. Then you'll find all the relevant information you need for the bank transfer. Very important, don't forget to enter your reference code in the bank transfer, which will be shown right here, so the transfer will be assigned to your account. Once you've made the transfer, you will have to wait 1 to 2 days for it to arrive. When the money has arrived, we can easily check this by clicking on Wallet again, and then Fiat and Spot. Then we can see if the money has been credited to our currency account right here. If this has happened, we can now buy the cryptocurrency in our last step. First, I'll show you the easiest option, which is to buy Tezos by using our credit card. To do that, we'll simply click on Buy Crypto and then go to Credit/Debit Card. The page will look like this. We can select our coin that we want to buy right here on the right side. So I'll click on that and type in XTZ and select Tezos. Then we can see the price chart right here on the left side, and on the right top here, we can select our currency that we want to pay with. So you could select the US dollar or any other currency that you can find here. In my case, this would be euro. Then I type in the amount that I want to buy. Let's say I want to buy 500 euros worth of Tezos. That will leave me with around 125 Tezos. And then I can see I can use my Visa or MasterCard, and then I click on Buy XTZ. I'll get to a page where I have to enter my card details and I have to confirm the purchase, and it's all done. If you want to use the second option and you have deposited money to your Binance account through a bank transfer, you simply click on Buy Crypto and then go to Cash Balance. The page looks pretty similar. We can select our coin right here again, so I'll type in XTZ and select Tezos. And now we can choose our currency again that we have deposited money into our Binance account. So I can also see if I select my currency, down here I have a cash balance of, in this case, 400 euros. Then I type in the amount I want to buy. Let's say I want to invest all of it, 400 euros. And then will give me around 100 Tezos. 400 euros worth of Tezos equals around 100 Tezos. Then I click on buy XTZ. I'll get to this confirmation page where I can see again how much Tezos I'm getting exactly, at what price I'm buying, how much fees I'll have to pay. In this case, it would be 40 cents, which is pretty low, and how much I'm investing in total. Then I'll click on confirm and the purchase is done. That's it for this video. Don't forget to register on Binance using the link from the video description to save the 10% on fees. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments.